In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Getresponse landing page background color. When you are building a landing page in Getresponse, the background color is one of the quickest ways to match your brand and make your content easier to read. The key is selecting the page background itself, not a button, image, text box, or any other element sitting on top of it. If you click the wrong thing, you will see the settings for that element instead, and it can feel like the background options are missing. Start on your landing page editor screen. Move your cursor to an open area of the page where there is no text, no image, and no form field. Then click directly on the background. Take your time here, because if you accidentally click on an element, you will change that element's settings rather than the section behind it. If your page has a full-width section with content inside it, aim for a blank area within that section or just outside the content block so you select the section background. Once you click the background correctly, the section settings will appear on the right-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where Getresponse shows the controls for whatever you have selected. Seeing section settings is your confirmation that you are editing the background and not an individual item. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar for the background controls. You will see a label that says background color, and right next to it, there will be a color selector. This is the tool you will use to update the background color for the section you selected. Click on the color selector to open the color picker. From here, you can change the color manually by choosing a new shade visually. If you already have a specific brand color, you can also paste a color code directly into the selector, which helps you get an exact match. After you choose the color, pause for a moment to confirm the change on the canvas and make sure it improves contrast with your text and buttons so everything stays readable. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.